So blind people can now see using AI glasses.
We call them the glasses for the blind, and they actually replicate what the guide dog for the blind does. So if a guide dog works by pulling your hand, avoiding you from obstacles and taking care of you, what we do is the same, but we don't pull your hand, we are on your head. So we actually pull your head using haptics.
This one is not miracle. This one is technology. Praise the Lord. So guys, in this video, I will just be primarily teaching you how does this thing works. So guys, at CES 2026, a tech startup called Lumen showed AI-powered glasses for blind people. Now, these glasses helps users walk around safely without a guide. So let us talk about how does these things work? How is it possible for the blind to see without a miracle but through AI glass? What kind of glass will make somebody see? Let us talk about that now. All right, so it uses three main technologies. One, AI vision. Two, AI brain. And three, haptics. So I'm going to explain all of them for you so you'll see it. So now, AI vision. Now, this AI vision, it just composes of tiny cameras on the glasses. Now, these cameras is, it looks around in real time. You understand? Just like it works like the human being eyes, like our eyes. It looks around and scan the environment. So that's what the AI vision works. That's the first technology used in making a blind man see. All right. So next, what it does is AI brain. It gives AI brain. So now somebody will be thinking, is it like AI brain? Now, but now let me explain to you. Don't be confused. So now, it is an AI model. This is just an AI model now, right? That understands now. It understands where the walls are in this room. If we bring that glass here, it can tell us where the walls are. It also tells where people are, where cars are, and also where the doors and staircase are. It's just an AI model, but we call it an AI brain because a brain is anything that is responsible for processing, right? And this is process, just like we have our brain now, processing, thinking, logic. Abi, I know book. So finally, let us talk about the one that you people want to see. The miracle behind this thing. Before you will not think it's one kind of magic that it's going to put eye in the eyes of the blind. No. Now it uses another technology called haptics. Now, what is haptics? So haptics simply means any technology that can help you feel things through touch. Funny enough, we use haptics in our day-to-day lifestyle, right? For example, now, your mobile phone, it rings, it vibrates. You felt it, right? Through touch. Your game controller, it vibrates when you touch it, right? Your phone keyboard, it vibrates when you start typing. That is called haptics. It enables you to feel things. You feel it through touch. When you touch it, you feel it. So, what makes this thing so special? It is not just random vibration. It can be soft vibration. It can be strong vibration. It can be short vibration. It can be long. It can be on the left side and it can be on the right side. And now, these vibrations mean certain things. Now, let us look at it. So, in the AI glasses for the blind, when it vibrates left, it means, oh yeah, move your left, come your left. We need to really thank God for our eyesight. Man, it's not easy to be physically disabled. God help people out there. Then also, when it vibrates to the right, that's the glass, right? It vibrates to the right. It means, oh yeah, take your right, be moving right. So when it vibrates hard, that's like a strong signal, meaning, oh yeah, stop. Something imminent is coming. A danger is coming. Stop. Then what happens when there's no vibration? So when there's no vibration, mean carry go, safe to walk. So that is how haptics work, and that is what powers this technology. I mean, this is a very crazy technology. Technology is evolving on a daily basis, and this idea is totally welcome. The problem is that this might be so expensive. So with the help of this, blind people can really see, really move on with their daily life or their day-to-day activities. So guys, what do you think about this? Man, to me, this is a crazy thing. But drop it in your comment box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget. Thank you.